Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. If you guys are new, hello, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes here on YouTube. Today we are actually sitting down and doing kind of a little life update. There's been so much that has gone on in the past month that I just feel I haven't had a moment to sit down and talk to you guys and just share all these crazy things that have happened. So with that said, today's Makeup Monday, that was my dog. With that said, today's Makeup Monday, we are going to be testing out some new products. These are products that I've had for probably months. Yeah, and I haven't played with them. So I have my basket of new makeup here. If you guys kind of want to do your makeup with me, get ready and chit chat a little bit, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started with skin. I have already moisturized my skin, so it's nice and prepped and ready for foundation. And the claws are back, you guys. I went like a whole week without nails because I just wanted to give my actual nails a break. And I just popped them on. If you guys didn't know, these are press-ons. They are the bomb, and they're super cute. Anyway, so for today's foundation, I want to try this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin, which is this one right here. I've had these sitting in my drawer for such a long time, and I keep forgetting to use them. So today we are going to be testing them. I have two shades, Y335 and Y375, which I know none of these are going to match me because in the Makeup Forever HD stick, Y405, so these are going to be way lighter. I'm going to try and make them work, and if I can't, then I guess we're just going to try something else. I'm going to use my little face palettes from LA Girl Cosmetics. These come in so handy. Okay, so this is the shade Y375, and it does look really light. I'm going to do a little swatch test on my face. I'm going to blend it in a little bit. I might actually be able to make that work. Does it look good? Yeah. So I am going to go in with the shade Y375. I'm going to wipe this off really quick because I actually didn't apply my primer. Oh, I forgot that I wanted to use these two. I have this one from Makeup Forever. This is a hydrating base primer, and this is a nourishing base primer. So I think I'm going to go in with this one because my skin has been a little bit dry. I say that in every video. You guys are probably like, shut up. We get it. Your skin is dry. Ooh, that made my skin feel so plump and like hydrated. For my actual primer though, I'm going to take this one by MUF Makeup. This is the Blur Stick. Y'all know that I love this. This is my gem. I haven't used it in a long time though. And I used it again like this week and I was like, oh my god, this primer is so good. So you guys, I know that I've spoke briefly about this. If you guys didn't know, or if you guys have no idea anything about me, I recently got engaged and it was so crazy. It came out of nowhere. So I'm gonna tell you guys like the backstory of everything and how it happened. So grab your hot Cheetos, put some limon on it, and let's chismear. Oh my god, do you remember what weekend that was? October, was it I think it was the weekend before Halloween. I believe it was the weekend before Halloween. Yes. Yeah. So it was the weekend before Halloween. Oh, my niece is behind the camera, if you guys are wondering who I'm talking to. So the week before Halloween, we made plans to bring my mom from Mexico. And again, if you guys don't know, I do have my mom, and she lives in Mexico, and she hadn't seen my sister, my oldest sister, in about 11 years. So my younger sister and I decided to surprise my older sister with my mom and bring her over here, and we accomplished it. Going back to the story, I'm going to go in now with that foundation. And actually, because this is a matte foundation, I can see you over here in the mirror. Because this is a matte foundation, I am going to add some of these e.l.f. booster drops. These booster drops are amazing. If you have a matte foundation that dries your skin out too much, but you need that hydration, try this. These are only like 8-10 bucks. I'm halfway through. It's amazing. I love this stuff. So yeah, so then we ended up bringing my mom over here from Mexico. We flew her out. She got here a Saturday night, and all my tios were in on it. The only one that was clueless was my poor oldest sister. And again, we wanted to keep it a secret from her because we didn't want her to know that my mom was coming. You know, we wanted to surprise her. So then my sister gets here, and then her man gets here, and my sister came thinking, okay, so my boyfriend told my sister, I'm going to propose to your sister, me, tonight. I need you guys to come over because I want you guys to like film everything. And so then my sister came with the mentality of, oh, he's gonna propose to her. But little did she know that we were gonna surprise her with my mom. It was like the best timing ever. So then, you know, my tios got here, and again, my sister was just like so clueless about everything, as was I, because I had no idea he was gonna propose to me. So my tios get here, and my tios are the ones that ended up picking up. And sorry, I keep saying tios. I'm so used to it. They're my uncles, if you guys didn't know. But my uncles, my tios, they picked up my mom from the airport, and they brought her over here. So when they rang the doorbell, my sister was like, who's that? And I'm like, little does she know. So I opened the door, and my mom was right there, and I hadn't seen her about 2 years, but I didn't want to take the excitement away from my sister, so I just kind of like looked at my mom, and I was like happy that she was here. And so my sister was sitting down on the couch, and when she sees my mom, you guys, I am not joking, the look on her face was priceless. I still have it engraved in my mind. She was shook, like shook to the core. I've never seen anybody shook like that. And she just started crying, and so did my mom, because again, they haven't seen each other in 11 years. That's a long, long time. Oh, it was awesome. Moving on to concealer, I really wanted to use this Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer. I've read so many good things about it, and I've just been dying to try it, but my smart butt ordered the wrong one. I picked up this shade Chai, which is insanely light, and it has pink undertones. Like, how is that going to look on me? Not cute. So I am going to have to pass on this. Jumping back into the story. So I left off where my sister saw my mom. So then a little bit after that, literally like not even 5 minutes after that, so then we're all happy, you know, like excited for my sister. And then all of a sudden I see my boyfriend next to me, and I see him acting weird, like jittery, and he kept looking at Fernando, which is my sister's boyfriend. He has a YouTube channel and he films, and he kept looking at him, and I was like, that's weird, you know. I just thought in the back of my mind. And then all of a sudden I see him like kneeling down. I was like, what are you doing?
También yo creo por eso se quedó de pie para ver la sorpresa. Sí, pues es que ya sabía que venía la abuelita.
Oh wow!
What? That's why I was here.
And so all my tios, nobody knew, none of my tios knew. Like, I think the only people that knew was my mom, Fernando, and my sister, and that was it. So it was like a complete shocker to everybody else. And of course he asked me if I would marry him, and I said yes. And everybody's asking me now, mija, ¿cuándo es la boda? When is the wedding? And I'm like, yo, I just got engaged. Y'all need to chill.
Another 6 years.
Another 6 years. I'm gonna go in straight with bronzer. This one is by Rude Cosmetics. I recently got a PR package from them, and they sent me a whole bunch of stuff that I haven't tried that I want to try with you guys. If you guys want to see that video, let me know. But this is the brand. This is the Go For the Bronze bronzer. This is in the shade As Good As Gold. It is a shimmery bronzer, which I typically don't like, but like the shimmers in this are so light that I feel like it'll be alright. So yeah, what else do I have to tell you guys? My mom is still here. We actually made menudo today, and it's a bomb. We made it last night. If you guys don't know what menudo is, y'all gotta try it. It's so good. I want to know if you guys are team menudo or team pozole. I'm team menudo. What are you?
Pozole.
Yeah? Now for blush, I'm going to take this LA Colors blush palette, which is this gorgeous one. Look at that hollow. All of these are shimmery, which I do not like shimmer blushes at all. So I'm going to take this matte one. Okay, now for my highlight, I'm also going to try this one by LA Colors. This is the highlight bronzer. I think I'm going to take a mix. I think I'm going to take this one first because it looks to be the most golden one. Okay. That's actually really pretty. It's a little bit glittery. I can see like glitter on it, but it's not bad. Okay, for my eyes, you guys, I am gonna use this Morphe palette. Oh, I have been waiting to try this out. It is the Stunning Vibes. I think this is pretty new, if I am correct. It's the 35B. Oh, look at this beauty. I love the blues and like the burgundies. I definitely want to do a blue look for today's makeup. The first shade that I'm going to take is this matte blue one, which is this one right here. And I'm going to tap it all over the lid while my base is still wet. That way it can adhere to it. I know I look a little bit scary, but I had to add white powder because the eyeshadow was falling a lot and it messes my foundation. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in with this burgundy, which is that one right there. Whoop, that one. And what we're going to do is we're going to place it very carefully on top of the blue. And that's going to create that like depth that we want on the eyes. Okay, so I know I made it sound like I had a million things to talk to you guys about, but I think it was just really that one. But me getting engaged and my mom being here. But you guys know that I also, for the month of November, I released my second collab with Lash Kitty. So we did do another pair of lashes. This time we did them a lot more natural because I know that some of you guys don't like super dramatic lashes, and I do. But this time I wanted to make sure that I had two different cases for super glamorous lashes and super simple lashes. If you guys want to check them out, there's a link in the description box down below. Now for the upper crease, I think I'm going to take a mix of this like tangerine orange, this one, and then this one because this one's a little bit lighter. So I'm just going to blend it on top of this like burgundy shade situation that I have going on. Then we have the blue. I don't know that I'm loving this look. I am so picky when it comes to like blues and the way they blend out. And this one isn't, it just didn't blend out the way I wanted it to, but that's okay. We're going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in whatever black. And we're just going to apply that to the waterline. I'm also going to draw a small wing. Like I'm just going to draw an eyeliner. I'm not going to wing it out. I just don't feel like using a wing today. And then we can pop on some lashes. So I ended up adding a little bit of this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick because it has really pretty peach undertones. And I just felt like that liquid lipstick by Anastasia, it was a little too dark for the eyes and I just kind of wanted to balance them out. So that is it, you guys. This is my look for Makeup Monday. What do you guys think? Actually, now that I'm looking up a entire look put together, I think I do like it. So that is it for me, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for Makeup Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment in the section. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.